Now, in the meantime, let's also talk about, statements in condemnation that has been pouring in from all quarters. Annamalai, who has launched his recent, political movement, has also, launched this sharp attack on Udayanidhi Stalin over his controversial speech. In a post on X, he said that he thought that cleaning of the Vaigai River, would be something which could be not more than anything that he's seen some pollution like that, because he says that what is worse than that pollution in the river is actually listening to Udayanidhi Stalin's speech. And these remarks are coming amid escalating political row over Udayanidhi Stalin's comments. And of course, now we are looking at the matter which has now escalated, especially when it comes to at a time when we are now looking at how the TVK is now deciding that they will be launching protests, seeking an unconditional apology, and also approaching the NCW in this case, because coming in as far as this comments that are now concerned, because the opposition leader also being a former actor himself, and if he is going to speak so disdainfully about fellow artists, then it is something that we are now looking at the condemnation that seems to be pouring in from all quarters. So he's made a controversy because of his previous statements as well, but we are now looking at this current controversy that has now been triggered, which is said to be more of a double meaning speech about the Chief Minister Vijay and Trisha in Thanjavur. That seems to have now, condemnation that has now come in. So we just want to quickly put out what Annamalai has said, saying that when I was cleaning the Vaigai River yesterday, I thought that can there be anything worse pollution than this? So he's now made a comparison saying that I listened to Mr. Udayanidhi Stalin's speech. And he says that it could be worse than the pollution that he's now witnessed. Let's go back to Dharani on this. So Dharani, what we are now looking at is condemnation coming in from all quarters. Nobody is coming out, even when it comes to the DMK. Has there been any reaction coming in from the DMK?
Well, as you said, condemnation is coming from all quarters. The BJP has condemned Udayanidhi, the Congress party has condemned Udayanidhi, and now we're looking at a tweet from Annamalai, the former Tamil Nadu BJP chief. He has also come out and, he has also called out Udayanidhi for his distasteful remark. And of course, since today morning, we've been seeing many ministers from the TVK put out tweets calling out Udayanidhi Stalin for his behavior. So Udayanidhi is facing immense pressure, for an apology from all quarters. But as far as the DMK is concerned, so far, the DMK seems to be trying to distance itself from the comments made by Udayanidhi. In fact, we tried reaching out to multiple spokespersons for a reaction on this matter, but all of them denied speaking on this. And in fact, Mr. Udayanidhi Stalin himself is remaining silent until this point in time. He is in Chennai, but he is not, attending any public events today, and he seems to be remaining silent on this matter too. So we have to wait and see how the DMK is going to react to it. And the critics are also demanding a reaction from Kanimozhi, because Kanimozhi is the women's wing leader of the DMK, and she is also known as a fierce female political voice here in the state of Tamil Nadu. She is an MP from Tuticorin. So what will Kanimozhi's reply be to this distasteful remark made by Udayanidhi Stalin, her family member, is the question coming in from many many ruling party ministers at this point in time. So it remains to be seen if at all Kanimozhi is also going to react to this. But for the time being, it looks like the DMK is trying to remain
silent. Reaction so far on Udayanidhi Stalin's comments and this clip that has been widely circulated. A clip of this incident on social media, with critics accusing the DMK leader of making inappropriate double meaning reference to the actor Trisha. But we have